In this video, let me teach you the composition of acrylic resin. Let it be heat cure resin or cold cure resin, which is used commonly in your prosthodontics for denture fabrication. So any type of resin, the composition is a bit confusing if you read it at once. So let me teach you. So this is an MCQ. Without knowing the composition, when you look at this, it is just Greek and Latin, right? So let me break it down for you. Before moving into the details, I want to tell you certain things which you should remember. Any resin like self-cure or heat cure, it is available in two forms, that is a powder form and a liquid form, monomer component and a polymer component. Powder and liquid is what you know without any dental material knowledge. If you look at it, you will tell it as a powder and a liquid component. What is that powder and what is that liquid? Liquid is methyl methacrylate, powder is polymethyl methacrylate. See, it is a resin polymer. Polymer means a continuous chain of monomers in simple terms. For example, if this is a monomer, a continuous repetition of monomers linked together, cross-linked together will form polymer. Here, the monomer is methyl methacrylate and polymer is polymethyl methacrylate. When you mix monomer and polymer, why we are mixing here is we are going to achieve polymerization of methyl methacrylate. When pure methyl methacrylate is used in polymerization, you get polymerization shrinkage to a real extent, which will cause discrepancy in your denture fabrication, etc. So to avoid that and to reduce the heat reduction and other side effects and byproducts, we are using already pre-polymerized pre-made polymethyl methacrylate to some extent to reduce polymerization shrinkage and to reduce the exothermic reaction, etc. So here you have to remember there are two components, monomer and polymer. Monomer is mainly the liquid component and polymer is mainly the powder component. Let us move into the details. Now, for monomer to turn into polymer, you need an activator. In heat cure resin, the activator is heat. In self cure, let me talk about it. Then you have an initiator already present. And when both acts, polymerization begins, but you need cross-linking agent for polymers to form. To link two polymers, you need cross-linking agent. And when the monomer is in rest state, there should be an inhibitor so that polymerization will not happen at rest. So now you have understood we are getting set resin. Like resin is available in powder and liquid form, monomer and polymer form. And you know the liquid contains the monomer component, powder contains pre-polymerized parts of monomer because we need to reduce the polymerization shrinkage. So there is polymethyl methacrylate in powder and methyl methacrylate in liquid. Let us go into the details of how the inhibitor, cross-linking agent and initiator is present. So the monomer mainly, as I said, contains unpolymerized methyl methacrylate. By now, this methyl methacrylate will be by heart to you. And you have two other components in liquid, which is hydroquinone and glycol dimethacrylate. So remember, hydroquinone is nothing but your inhibitor. As I said, when in rest state, the monomer should not polymerize on its own. So there should be an inhibitor, which is hydroquinone added to the liquid because it is the monomer. Then you have glycol dimethacrylate, which is the cross-linking agent, that is which facilitates monomer to form polymer. Then in powder, that is the polymer component, you have pre-polymerized polymethyl methacrylate, that is PMMA in powder form. Small beads if you see in microscope. So those polymers are present in your powder form along with benzoyl peroxide, which is the initiator. See, initiator should be here. Then only when we mix both, there will be polymerization. Inhibitor is present in the liquid component to avoid polymerization at rest, and initiator is present in the powder component so that when you mix the liquid and powder, polymerization starts. Now this initiator is benzoyl peroxide. Now let us go to the next part where in self-cure, activator, a chemical, is added to the resin, because in heat cure, heat acts the activator, whereas in self cure you have dimethyl paratoluidine or N-paratoluidine, a tertiary amine which is added to the liquid component which acts as the activator. By now I am sure you remember all the parts, all the components. Let us revise again. In monomer you have unpolymerized methyl methacrylate, which is the main component. Then you have hydroquinone and glycol dimethacrylate. Glycol dimethacrylate is the cross-linking agent. Hydroquinone is the inhibitor because it should stop polymerization at rest. Then powder form, that is the polymer, mainly contains PMMA. Then you have benzoyl peroxide, which is the initiator to start polymerization once powder and liquid mixes. In self-cure alone, you have dimethyl paratoluidine because it is the activator for the reaction to start. In heat cure, you do not have this, you have heat as the activator. Remaining out of this dimethyl paratoluidine, except this dimethyl paratoluidine, remaining components are same for heat cure and your self cure resin. Now let us go to the MCQ part. What causes cross-linking in cold cure resin? Whether it is cold cure or heat cure resin, the cross-linking will be caused by glycol dimethacrylate. Now this Greek and Latin components of the MCQ is clear to you. You can answer by your own. Benzoyl peroxide is the initiator present in powder component. N-paratoluidine is the activator present in self-cure resin. Then methyl methacrylate is the main component of monomer. What is not present here? The absent, that is the missing components are hydroquinone, which is the inhibitor, and benzoyl peroxide we saw, right? Okay. Hope you understood the components of cold cure resin and heat cure resin. I hope I have simplified to the maximum. If you have any doubts, please be free to ask. And for more simple to the point explanations in dentistry, please follow our channel, and in comments please mention what would you like to know next. Thank you.